I'm gonna show you what my normal regular evenings look like. And वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको एक चीज़ बता देना चाहती हूँ कि जो भी चीज़ें मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ डजंट नेसेसरली मीन कि आई फॉलो देम एवरी डे इन द सेम पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर, ओके, बट आई ट्राई एंड आई वांट टू इंक्लूड देम एज मच एज आई कैन इन माय इवनिंग्स टू काइंड ऑफ मेक माय इवनिंग a little more thoughtful and productive. So if you want to know what it is, then please keep on watching. My evening starts around 4:30 to 5 o'clock, and before that either I'm on my phone watching some YouTube videos, or if I have to upload a particular video on that day, then I'll be editing that video at that time. And sometimes I just take a nap in the afternoon, but I'm trying to refrain myself from taking a nap in the afternoon, क्योंकि जब भी मैं 1 घंटे से ज़्यादा सो जाती हूँ ना, उसके बाद I always end up feeling very lethargic, और उसके बाद मुझे कुछ भी करने का मन नहीं होता. That's why I'm trying not to sleep in the afternoon. So whenever I realize कि okay, this is the time to get along with the evening, I go to the kitchen first and then I make myself a warm, hot, strong cup of coffee, because I just need that little boost, okay? So that coffee gives me the kickstart. I love my black coffee, okay, and I like to enjoy that coffee in its sweet little time very peacefully. So whenever I'm sipping on the hot cup of coffee that I made for myself, either I'm listening to podcast, or very rarely this happens that I sometimes grab a book to read. Okay, this doesn't happen a lot. So I'm into educational podcasts and educational content more than I am into fictional and entertaining things. Sounds very boring, I know. And if you are into podcasts, or if you want to start out with listening to podcasts, then I can leave a few recommendations for you in the description box below. If you are interested, you can give them a try. And I believe कि when you're, of course, video content everybody consumes, है ना, but sometimes when you are using only one sense of yours, either you are reading or either you are listening to a certain thing, it definitely increases your focus span. It's very productive too at the same time. So I'll definitely recommend you to start listening to podcasts. After this podcast session is done, either I like to go out like in my garden to take a stroll, or I play with my dog, okay? Believe you me, whenever you are around with your pet or with any animal for that matter, they exhibit this strong sense of positivity, and they have this positive aura around them. You would definitely know this if you have a pet in your house, okay? You would know what I'm talking about, and I have always felt the same way. Even if you are feeling very stressed out, even if you are very tensed about something, and if you spend some time with your dog, petting him, or just playing with him, it reduces your stress to a very drastic level, and this time is never gonna go in vain. Whenever you are around them, you feel this strong sense of happiness inside you, and you feel a little uplifted. Same thing goes with spending time with your family members as well. At this time, in my case, we often have this chai pe charcha wala moment. I know I have had my coffee before, but again I have tea at this time, and we generally talk about random things, we laugh over stupid things, and we play board games, Ludo to be specific. So yeah, honestly speaking, I wouldn't trade these moments for anything else, and I actually cherish them a lot. I love to be around people who are actually close to me. In सब के बाद में there's one more thing that I take very seriously, and it is very very important for me, which is to spend some time alone by myself. And generally I come to this room. This is a room where I film my videos, and video related जो भी चीज़ें होती है, editing होती है, या फिर video ideas भी जब मुझे बनाने होते हैं, तो भी I sit in this room peacefully and I do all of that work. Okay, so I just take a pen and paper, write down some pointers. If I have to shoot a video late in the night, generally मैं अपने videos रात में शूट करती हूँ, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे शोर थोड़ा कम होता है. तो I try and make all the content beforehand. तो evening पे मैं सारा काम खत्म करके फिर रात में मैं video shoot करती हूँ, ठीक है? Even when I'm not preparing the content for my videos, either I am journaling. Okay, this is a very secret, very personal thing. I have a diary wherein I write few stuff. It's not like daily journaling, so I wouldn't write everything that goes on with me throughout the day. It's just some specific, some special thoughts or feelings that I might be having at that moment. I just write it down, very rarely, but yeah, that's something very close to me. All these things happen in a non-filming day, okay? तो जब भी मैं video shoot कर रही होती हूँ, जैसे कि आज, then I wouldn't care much about the evening routine because this becomes my first priority. Okay, so around 6 o'clock or something I finish all the leftover editing works. ठीक है, उसके बाद में either I write the descriptions and give all the links which is needed, which is very tedious for me. From the past 2-3 weeks I have been experiencing a lot of neck pain and back pain, and I found out it has a lot to do with the posture that you sit in while working on screens, right? So I have to edit a lot of my videos, and even with you, अगर आप काम करते हैं तो definitely ये सारी चीज़ें work from home हो रखी हैं, और even if you attend online classes for that matter, so this has become a major part of our life. So we have to be a little concerned about how to deal with the negative outcomes that it has. That's why I have been experimenting with a lot of ergonomic postures, right postures to be sitting in while working on the laptops, while working on computers. So yeah, that's what I have been trying out, and if I find something useful, if I find something helpful, I'll definitely share it with you guys. Okay, so after all of this, I try to indulge myself in some sort of physical activity, either exercise or yoga, anything, because हमेशा बैठे रहना भी अच्छा नहीं है. You need to give that stretch to your body. So yeah, I do around 30 to 45 minutes of yoga or exercise, followed by 20 minutes of meditation. Yes, I have started doing meditation, or I'm a beginner myself, okay, and I feel there's a lot to be experienced in this field. That's why I won't talk much about it. And for workout, if I ever had to show what I do for my workouts, then I'll make a separate video for that for sure. ये वाला जो part of my evening है ना, I try my level best to not miss it, because even if I miss it someday, ठीक है, मेरे पास कितना भी important काम रहे पर मैं try करती हूँ कि miss ना हो, पर अगर कभी मैं miss कर भी देती हूँ तो I always end up feeling very guilty and very unproductive that day. So yeah, I just try to maintain that habit of mine. क्योंकि देखो exercise, because अगर if I don't exercise, okay, I don't feel energetic, and थोड़ा भी काम करने के बाद मैं थक जाती हूँ. Plus I have gained a lot of weight. So yeah, exercise for that, and meditation is also benefiting me in a lot of ways. Like I am trying, okay, I still am in a very initial stages, but I think it is kind of providing me the needed calmness and the needed peace that I always wanted. All of this has happened. Evening almost खत्म होने को है, रात आने वाली है. I sometimes go to the kitchen. Okay, I won't lie, हमेशा मैं नहीं करती, but I sometimes go to the kitchen and ask my mom what she needs. Okay, how can I help her? And I help her with some little household chores, and sometimes I would chop the vegetables. Sometimes I would just cook something for her, and that's how my evenings end, and that's how this video is ending. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Till then, if you like this video, you know what you have to do. Give me a thumbs up. And by the way, if you're wondering how I created this look, then I have already made a reel about it on my Instagram, so that's where you can find it. And yeah, bye bye. Please subscribe. I forgot to say that.